Hi, I'm Eugene, data engineer from Pinest, and today we dive into the world of data. Data is a currency of the business world today, and businesses that know how to use it correctly are one step ahead of competitors. Many successful companies collect a lot of information about their customers. This includes what they buy, what subscriptions they sign up for, and how they use a website or app. A lot of data is collected in online retail, covering both current and potential customers. But just collecting data is only half of the battle. To make data work for the company, it must be analyzed. This is where BI tools come to the rescue. They help you not just look at numbers, but extract valuable insights from them. That can literally change the rules of the game. BI let you know how people like different things depending on the season, which products are bought together most often, and which areas make the most money. All these analytics are not just pretty graphs. They enable intelligent marketing campaigns and optimization of business processes to reduce cost and increase revenue. BI tools are powerful systems for collecting, processing, and visualizing data, turning raw numbers into valuable business insights. They help identify trends, analyze customer behavior, optimize processes, and support strategic decision-making. BI tools give a company complete visibility of its data, allowing it to clearly see key aspects of its operations. They are especially useful in e-commerce, where they help analyze sales, manage inventory, optimize delivery, and prepare for promotions. Here are some examples of how this might work. Sales. Using BI tools, you can visualize sales data in the form of interactive dashboards. For example, a graph showing sales over time, by days, weeks, or months, will help you see seasonal fluctuations or spikes during certain promotions. This allows you to respond more quickly to changes in demand or highlight products that are most popular during certain periods. Inventory management. BI tools can visualize inventory levels in warehouses, which helps optimize purchasing and prevent shortages or oversupply of goods. You can set up visualizations in the forms of charts or heat maps that will show which products are running low and which ones have been sitting in the warehouse for too long. Delivery tracking. BI tools allow you to track logistics and on-time delivery. You can create a dashboard that will show how many orders were delivered on time, delivery times in different areas, or carrier changes. This helps to identify bottlenecks in logistics and improve customer service. Readiness for promotions. Visualizing data on inventory and past promotions allow you to better prepare for future sales. For example, you can create a dashboard with trends of the past promotion and adjust accordingly to the current period. This will help you to figure out how many products you need to order for the next promotion. BI tools make data understandable and useful, helping businesses make informed decisions and quickly respond to market changes. Today, companies actively use BI tools for data analysis, reporting, and visualization. The most popular of them are Power BI, Tableau, ClickSense, Looker, SAP Business Objects, and Domo. These platforms help businesses turn raw data into useful information. But for analytics to work as well as possible, the data must be ready and stored in a way that is best for it. Usually, it's duty of the data engineering team to handle such infrastructure. The two most popular architectures to prepare data for analytics are data lake and data warehouse. Both approaches are useful for data management and analysis, but their architectures and operation principles are different. Let's start with data lake approach. This is a principle designed to store huge amounts of data in its original raw form. The main idea of data lake is to collect data from various sources without pre-processing or structuring it. This makes data lake flexible and suitable for storing almost unlimited volumes of structured or unstructured data. Basic examples are storing JSON, CSV, or Parquet files in Hadoop file system, AWS S3, or any alternative cloud data storage for subsequent processing. No data limitations. Data lake can store data of any type, both structured and unstructured formats virtually without any volume restrictions. Flexibility. Storing data in its original form lets you use it for many things like machine learning, data and business analysis, and more. Low storage cost. Data lake is often built on cloud platforms, which makes it cost-efficient regarding data storage. Optimal plans also provide for storing archival information that does not require frequent access. Lack of rigid structure. The data does not require initial modeling or structuring. This means that large amounts of data can quickly be collected from different sources without the need to process it immediately. This approach greatly saves time and resources when storing and integrating new sources. But it requires more effort for subsequent processing and analysis, as well as maintaining the data lake in its structured form. Second architecture is data warehouse. Unlike data lake, here the data is carefully selected, cleansed, transformed, and structured before being stored. Data warehouse is used for a more traditional approach to analytics, where data is organized and ready for immediate use. Data warehouse is a more complex way of optimizing and structuring data, which uses principles from relational databases. In the base case, a central table is used. This table contains information about the events of interest to us, as well as tables that help describe in more details the parameters of the analyzed events. Structured data. All data in the data warehouse is processed in advance and organized into structures, which makes them easily accessible for analysis and reporting. From such structured data, it is easy to obtain aggregations for subsequent reporting by period. Analytics optimization. Data warehouse solutions are often based on OLAP databases and are designed to run complex analytical queries with minimal latency, making it ideal for real-time business intelligence. If you need to get sales data grouped by month, product category, or region, Data Warehouse allows you to express this in a simple SQL queries that can be integrated into BI tools. ETL processes. Before being loaded into storage, data goes through a process ETL, which includes extracting data from various sources, cleaning it, reducing it to the single structure, and then loading into the storage. I would like to know that data lake and data warehouse are basic ways to analyze data with its own features. This can be good and bad depending on the case. Additionally, there are also architectures such as Lakehouse, Delta Lake, Data Fabric, and Data Mesh, which we are not covering in this video. As the initial stage of retail business, basic OTP systems are often enough. Small data can be uploaded to Excel and reports can be built manually. But as the company grows, simple solutions are no longer enough. Simple as the growth in the data volumes begin to load the main database, reducing its performance. Then you can start transferring data to data lake or data warehouse as not to slow down the e-commerce database. As a business continues to grow and enter new markets, the need for centralized analytic systems increases. A well-organized data lake or data warehouse will let you connect data from different sources and give a single source of truth for analysis. So we have discussed how data lake and data warehouse help businesses organize data for efficient analysis and scaling. At first, they might seem like an overhead, but a good data system helps the company grow faster and saves money over time. If you want your business to grow quickly, make data-driven decisions, and avoid performance issues, it's time to start thinking about it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and share in the comments which approach you use, data lake or data warehouse. It will be interesting to know